Got my swab. Oh, wrong side. It's really nice and soft. Now this is the not so pleasing part. Okay, good enough. It's a bit cloudy. This is the idea. It should be getting cloudy. And you don't eat this. You still have to wait 15 minutes to make sure nothing shows here. Wow, after 15 minutes, if there is nothing, no trace of line on the T zone here, yeah, you're okay, it's negative. Most important is to have the one line on the C, that means the control is working, and no line here, that's negative. If you have one line here and another line here, 2 lines in total, that's a positive result, and you have to talk to your medical provider. This is not medical advice. I'm just showing you how I do my test. Your test might be different. If you're not sure, ask your medical provider or your doctor or the pharmacy where you bought this test from. And if you have no line on the C test, on the C line, if there is no line here, it's an invalid test. If you have one line on the T line and no line here on the C, it's also invalid. So you should have either one line on C for negative, or one line on C and one line on T for positive. Any other combination is invalid test. Most important is the C line should show, so it shows that the sample is valid. And then you have to wait 15 minutes for the test to finish. Once 15 minutes to 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes passed, for your test it might be different, but for this test it's 15 to 20 minutes. If there is no even the smallest trace of line on the T here, it's a negative test. If there is just a little bit of a trace of anything here like a line, it's still a positive test. This one looks pretty negative. Okay, I will wait 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, still negative. Still negative. Alright. Negative. No line, nothing.